Hey guys, Barry, QuickTime Performance. I want to introduce our new toy that we acquired this year. It's a new race car. We got a little experience in racing. This is my 1990 Camaro that I purchased brand new in 1999. Went through the trials and tribulations of how to race a manual transmission car. Broke many things back in the day. Haven't raced this in a while. Last time was about 10 years ago, but the fastest pass this car made was a 8.8 at 155.25 mile. The 8th mile time was a 5.75. Punched out to a 403 cubic inch with a 200 horsepower nitrous outlet shot to it. Transmission is a G-force 4-speed with a V-gate. So pop the clutch, hit the gears, and go. It's a fun car. Learned it throughout the years, and I got the racing itch again. And I was coerced into another car. Wasn't that big of a push, but let's go out into the warehouse and I'll show you all what's it about. So here it is, 1963 Corvette split window Gasser. We'll be racing it in the Southeast Gasser Association under the Gasser rules. Previous owner was Mitch Stout. This was called the Frequent Flyer. He was running a 477 big block with mechanical fuel injection. His best pass at the time last year was 5.21.
Run Mitch Stott right-hand lane, barely running right on his tail, couldn't run him down, and Mitch Stott, that Frequent Flyer,
we're going to go a little bit of a different route. It's going to be a 451 cubic inch by Fulton Competition. The engine's almost done. We will be going for a dyno day for that. But this car, just like my blue Camaro, is a 4-speed. V-gate shifter by G-force. McLeod clutch, because our friends in McLeod hooked us up on that one. Let's look at the car a little bit more. I'll explain some things.
Love the sound of a gasser banging through the gears as it makes a pass? Do you want that same feeling in your street car or truck? We've got the exhaust systems and parts that bring that iconic rumble straight from the golden age of drag racing. With a QuickTime Performance electronically controlled exhaust system, you can have race car loud with the flip of a switch or a push of a button. Give your ride that Gasser sound it deserves.
As you can see, it's a 63 split window. We're running a 29.5 inch ET drag by Mickey Thompson. Some magnesium wheels in the back. And come on inside, I'll show you what the interior looks like. It's all business. No frills here. Sheet metal to pull out to access the transmission for a transmission swap or clutch adjustments. All right, dashboard. As you can see over here, even the tachometer is ERA. No shift light, no fancy odometer. It's pretty much a race car here. off, you can see it's a race car. All right, strut bars over here, manual steering. We got Willwood disc brakes up front. Even the shocks, they might be a modern shock, but they have to be painted to give a more nostalgia look. Solid front axle, straight axle I mean. Fuel cell, electric water pump. All right, this car can be motor plated for a big block or a small block. Access over here to get into the clutch will be nice, so when we need to make clutch adjustments, we can just pop the top off of here, get into the titanium bell housing, and that. And then funny story about we got no windshield here. Well, when we were taking the lettering off the car, it's hand painted, there's no vinyl allowed. It was told that Easy Off oven cleaner is a great way to remove the paint. So did a great job pulling off of the paint off the body, and it also does it off the Lexan window. Problem is, found out that if the Easy Off drips down to like the corners, came in the next day, the whole window was cracked. So don't use Easy Off on the windows for the paint scheme. But we got a new Lexan window from Bob at Pro Glass. Got to put that in, but we'll put that in after the engine goes in because I don't want to break a second one. So we got some parts of the car over here. These are the headers that we designed. I'm a big fan of the tri-Y headers. Gonna see how they turn out on the engine dyno. 2 inch, 2 1/8, 2 1/8 Y, 2.5 secondary Y with the reverse megaphone, and then transmission by G-Force. Okay, 4-speed with the V-gate shifter, just goes front and back. And then over here we got the soft lock clutch from McLeod, which you can adjust the pressures. Another name is a slipper clutch, so this should be able to help us keep the wheels off the ground or up in the sky, depending on how we want to do it. Really excited to get the engine finished. Been waiting a while. Fulton Competition is going to come out with something special for us. So the next video should be engine dyno day. So like, subscribe. We should give you some fun content. And by the way, this year coming up is going to be a little bit of racing. Keep it loud.